Steamboat Geyser's highest hot water eruption resumes in Yellowstone National Park. The world's highest hot water erupts again from Steamboat Geyser in the Norris Geyser Basin of Yellowstone National Park. This powerful eruption sent a column of hot water, steam, and mineral material tens of meters into the air, creating a dramatic sight and a reminder of the active geothermal energy in the region. According to park officials, the main eruption phase is short but powerful. Boiling hot water is ejected high, followed by a thick cloud of steam that rises and spreads over the surrounding area. After the main phase, the geyser enters a period of minor eruptions, which can last from a few hours to several days, with small eruptions in a continuous flow of hot water. Steamboat Geyser is known as the world's tallest active geyser. During major eruptions, its water jets can reach more than 90 meters, far surpassing other geysers in Yellowstone. This activity is unpredictable, as eruptions can last for days, weeks, or even months. Scientists cite changes in underground pressure and hot water supply as the primary factors triggering the eruption. Park officials also remind visitors to stay on designated hiking trails. The water ejected from the geyser is extremely hot and can cause serious burns. Furthermore, the soil around the geyser is very thin and fragile due to hydrothermal activity beneath the surface. Despite its dangers, this phenomenon is a remarkable scientific and tourist attraction. Researchers continue to monitor Steamboat Geyser's activity to understand the dynamics of Yellowstone's hydrothermal system, one of the most active volcanic regions in the world. Recent activity indicates that Yellowstone's hydrothermal system remains highly active and dynamic. Continued activity after the main eruption also causes hot water to flow through natural channels around the Norris Geyser Basin. New mineral deposits have been observed forming along the flow path, rapidly turning the soil white, orange, and brown. This phenomenon is common after large eruptions from Steamboat Geyser, as the ejected silica-rich water solidifies as it cools. Scientists monitoring activity in Yellowstone National Park state that increased geyser activity does not necessarily indicate a major volcanic eruption. However, changes in eruption frequency remain an important indicator for understanding the pressure of hot fluids beneath the surface. Therefore, intensive monitoring of temperature, ground vibrations, and surface deformation continues. Visitors near the site report rumbling sounds before an eruption, followed by mild tremors and steam rising from small vents around the geyser. These conditions often signal the imminence of a major eruption. However, the exact timing of an eruption remains difficult to predict. The return of high-energy eruptions from Steamboat Geyser confirms that Yellowstone remains one of the most dynamic hydrothermal systems in the world. Experts predict that as long as the heat and water supply remain stable, this geyser will continue to experience periodic major eruptions in the future. The phenomenon of the powerful eruption of the Steamboat Geyser reminds us again that nature always holds extraordinary powers that cannot be completely predicted. Behind the beauty of towering bursts of hot air, hidden great energy from within the Earth, which continues to move and change at all times. As part of the geothermal system in Yellowstone National Park, this activity is clear evidence that our Earth is still alive and dynamic. Therefore, it is important for every visitor to remain alert, protect nature, and follow existing safety rules. Thus, we can enjoy this natural wonder without ignoring the risks.